Yes, Hudur, there is another verse which says, وَقُودُهَا النَّاسُ وَالْحِجَارَةُ.
والحجارة.
What is the significance of this?
You see, Nas are ordinary people. According to the terminology of the Holy Quran, Nas are just common run of man, ordinary people, you find everywhere. And Hijara are those which are referred to in the Holy Quran with reference to the Jews when they became extreme criminals. You see, ثم قست قلوبكم وهي أشد من you
ثم
see,
قست قلوبكم من بعد ذلك فهي كالحجارة أو أشد
وهي
قسوة.
كالحجارة أو أشد
قسوة.
قسوة. That's right. Your hearts became hardened like stones, or even harder than stones. So these are the people who are specifically mentioned in hell, that the hell will burn ordinary sinful people, but especially those whose hearts had turned into stones while they lived here on earth. And everyone knows that the stone fire is the fiercest. You see, when stones burn, their fire is the fiercest fire.